Hi guys, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So in this week, ito na yung ating last video. So I guess this is lesson 21 or lesson 22. So this video is all about arc length. So a curve with equation y is equal to f of x is said to be smooth on AB if f prime is continuous on in closed interval AB. So again, smooth curve meaning yung tulad si parabola, smooth curve yon. Okay, pag sinabi mo si linear function, hindi mo siya pwedeng sabihin smooth curve kasi straight line siya. Again, smooth curve is yung something na curve talaga siya as in. Okay, so tandaan niya na. So note, graph natin yun dito. So ano ba yung gagawin natin sa pagkuha ng arc length? Pag sinabing arc length, yung mismong distansya nung line, nung graph. Okay, kung napapansin mo dati, kaya natin kunin yung distance between 2 points. Okay, yung distance between 2 points, pag kinonect mo yung dalawang points na yun, yun yung line. Okay, yung may distance yung line na yun. So, kaya mo kunin yung distance ng line. Pero, may formula tayo doon. Eh, what if curve siya? So, what if, for example, ganito yung nag-iitsura ng graph. Okay, so yan yung tinatawag na smooth curve. So, what if yan yung f of x? So, ngayon, ano yung gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin dito is, napapansin mo yung mga curve na yan, gagawa ka ng mga straight line doon. Okay, straight line dyan. Straight line dyan. Straight line dyan, straight line dun, straight line dyan, straight line dyan, straight line dun, straight line, straight line, straight line, something ng ganyan. Pero, katulad din ng horizontal rectangle saka vertical rectangle, anong ginagawa? Sabi ko dun, sir, padamihin ko para maging mas accurate yung makuha ko na integral o yung area niya. Tama? Ganon din gagawin ko dito. The more na maliliit na strip or straight or mga straight line, yung gagawin ko dyan, yung pambabisect ko dyan, ganun karami yung gagawin natin. So, ayun yung idea ng arc length. So, again, so wag nyo isipin na, sir, di mo naman ginagawa. Hindi natin ginagawa kasi hindi natin mabivisualize. Ginagawa na natin mismo yung application. Hindi natin nakikita yung nangyayari. So, again, ine-explain ko lang yung gagawin. Okay, so, wala tayong tool. So, yan yung honest thing ko. So, wala tayong tool para may pakita ko sa kung paano siya ginagawa totally. Pero kung gusto mo i-search, may kita mo yan kung ano ba talaga ginagawa pag arc length, kinukuha yung area. So, ayun yung ginagawa. So, the more na pinapalit ko yung vertical rectangle or horizontal rectangle, the more na mas magiging accurate. Yan yung ginagawa. Dito naman, the more na pinapalit ko yung mga lines na kinoconnect ko para mabuo ko yung line na yan, makukuha ko yung arc length. So, again, ang kinukuha natin yung arc length na yan, yung distansya ng lahat ng yan. Okay, now we have two formula para dito. Okay, so if y is equal to f of x is a smooth curve on x interval AB, then arc length of L of this curve from x to a to x to b. So again, pag x yung galaw, kumbaga yung gapang is dito. Okay, is equal to length of integral from a to b of square root ng 1 plus dy over dx square dx. So meaning kunin mo yung derivative o yung y prime. So note, alam natin yung dy, no? So note na ang dy over dx is yung y prime. So kunin mo yung y prime, equate mo sa dy. So kunin mo lang yung y prime, square mo lang. So that is 1 plus y prime square dx. Tapos square root mo, kunin mo yung integral niya. So again, meron tayong rule para sa integration yan, ng square root. So hoping na makuha nyo yung gagawin dyan. Now, if x is equal to u of y, so meaning doon naman tayo gumalaw dito. Kumbaga gagalaw naman tayo po y to y. Kumbaga yung curve is ganun. Ang gagawin naman natin is similar din. Yung arc length is equal to an integral from c to d ng square root ng 1 plus dx over dy square plus dy. So now, ano naman yung dx over dy? Yung dx over dy is equal sa 1 over y prime. So meaning, i-reciprocate ko lang yung y prime natin. So para makuha ko yung dx over dy. Okay, so now, meron akong dalawang example na kung saan gagalaw tayo to dx dy over dx, tapos gagalaw tayo sa dx over dy. Okay, so medyo mabilis lang din tong video na to. So hoping na may enjoy mo. So find the length of the arc of the curve y is equal to 1/3 x squared plus 2 quantity raised sa 3 over 2 from x is equal to 1 up to x is equal to 2. So obviously, ang galaw natin is x-axis. So dito, ang kagandahan dito, hindi natin kailangan i-graph. Kasi, tulad yan, kahit ako hindi ko alam yung graph niyan eh. Kasi that is cube root of x squared plus 2 square. Tama, ganyan yung itsura niyan. So dito naman, ang kailangan mo lang is arc length. So hindi mo kailangan i-bend. Kung gusto mong makita yung itsura niyan, ikaw na bahala. Since ginagamit naman natin yung application natin sa pagkuha ng, tawag dito, sa pagkuha ng graph. Okay, pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, so since di naman kailangan, huwag mo na i-graph. Okay, so now proceed tayo dito. So una is we all know that y, so lagay ko lang dito, no? We all know that y is equal to 1/3 ng x squared plus 2 tapos raise sa 3/2. So obviously, this is just, kunin mo yung derivative, so this is derivative of y with respect to x is just equal sa, this is 1/3, copy yung 1/3, then multiplied by, ito ay by power rule. So by power rule ng ating derivative, this is bababa yung 3/2, tama? Then may matitirang x squared plus 2, tapos 3/2 minus 1. Tama? Then times derivative nung nasa loob, kasi chain rule yan, nung x squared plus 2. So again, sir, bakit may x squared? Kasi chain rule yan, nasa loob pa. Okay, so simplify further, we have dy over dx is just equal sa, multiply natin to, this is 1/2 na lang. Kasi 1/3 times 3/2 is 1/2. And this is just x squared plus 2 raised sa 1/2, kasi 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2. Then derivative ng x squared 2 is times 2x. Or basically, dy over dx is just equal sa, cancel na yung 2. So may matitirang x multiplied by x squared plus 2 raised sa 1/2. So meaning ito yung dy over dx. So note, since gagapang tayo sa x, ito yung gagamitin natin, no? Arc length. So arc length natin, so arc length is equal sa integral from a to b, that is 1 to 2. So from 1 to 2 ng square root ng 1 plus yung dy over dx natin is ito. So this is 1 plus x times x squared plus 2 raised sa 1/2. Tapos naka-raise pa sa 2 yan, kasi sabi doon. Then nasa labas yung dx. Tandaan mo, nasa labas yung dx. So note, square lang natin loob or simplify further. This is just the integral from 1 to 2 ng square root ng 1 plus x squared is x squared. X squared plus 2 raised to 1/2, raised sa 2, cancel yung 1/2. Tama? Again, x squared plus 2 raised sa 1/2, squared, that is cancel yung 1/2. So meaning may matitira na lang ditong x squared plus 2. Okay, then dx. Okay, then simplify further sa loob. This is integral from 1 to 2 ng 1 plus x to the 4th plus 2x squared. Then dx. Okay, so check natin kung may pa-factor, no? So arrange ko lang, this is integral from 1 to 2 square root ng x to the 4th plus 2x squared plus 1 then dx. So obviously may factor siya, no? Kasi parang siyang x squared plus 1 raised sa 2. Parang x squared plus 1, x squared plus 1. So x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 1, ang sagot is ito. Okay, so meaning yung factor niya is equal to integral from 1 to 2 ng x squared plus 1 raised sa 2 then dx. Okay, so meaning cancel yan. So therefore, this is just equal sa integral from 1 to 2 ng x squared plus 1 then dx. Okay, then later on, this is just x cubed over 3 plus x. Okay, then lagay natin yung boundary na for x is equal to 1 up to x is equal to 2. So shortcut ko na lang, no? So length is equal to, that is 2 raised sa 3 is 8. So 8 over 3 plus 2, no? So ang mangyari dyan is 8 over 3. So alam ko na 8 over 3 plus 2 para sa una minus 1 over 3 plus 1. Okay, so therefore length o arc length natin, okay, so kumpitin ko lang, no? So arc length natin is just 10 over 3. So this is 10 over 3. So since hindi siya area, this is just units. So again, hindi siya area kasi parang perimeter lang siya. Or tama, parang perimeter lang talaga siya actually. Okay, so therefore that is 10 over 3 units. So ganun yung gagawin natin dito. Next is find the arc length of the curve 2x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 between y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So obviously ito yung gagamitin natin. So yung idea ng dx over dy, that is 1 over y prime. So unahin muna natin kunin yung differentiate natin to implicitly. So again, consider natin si 2x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. So differentiate implicitly, so this is just 2. Kasi derivative ng 2x with respect sa x is 2. Derivative ng 4y is 4y prime. Derivative ng 6 is 0. Derivative ng 0 is 0. Okay, note that this is negative 4y prime is equal to negative 2. or simply this is y prime is equal to negative 2 over negative 4, or y prime is equal to negative 1/2. Note, ang kailangan natin is dx over dy. So alam natin na ito ay dy over dx is equal to negative 1/2. So pag ni-reciprocate, dx over dy is just equal sa negative 2. So ito yung gagamitin natin. So medyo mas madali siya kumpara dun sa isa. So next is kunin natin yung length. Okay, o yung arc length. So arc length is just equal sa integral, since y 0 to 2. This is 0 to 2. Okay, so 0 to 2 ng square root ng 1 plus dx over dy. Yung dx over dy natin is negative 2 square, tapos dy sa labas. Okay, kasi yun yung formula. So therefore, this is just equal sa integral from 0 to 2, yung square root ng 1 plus 2 dy. Or sorry, 4. Kasi negative 2 square is 4. So that is square root of 5. So simply this is square root of 0 to 2, and this is square root of 5 dy. So note, yung square root of 5 is just constant. So pag in-integrate, this is just equal sa y is square root of 5. Again, so y is square root of 5. Then yung boundary is y is equal to 0. And y is equal to 2. So obviously this is just 2 square root of 5 minus 0 square root of 5, or simply this is just 2 square root of 5 units. Okay, so ganun lang kaikli yung graph na yan. So tama naman. So yan yung equation between 0 to 2. So kung gusto mong i-graph yan, i-graph mo yung equation na yan. So kumbaga, i-graph, pag ginraph mo yan, i-graph mo yung linear equation yan, tapos from 0 to 2 kunin mo lang yung distance, and yung sagot. Okay, so ganyan yung gagawin. So for example lang so mahaba pa naman yung time. So this is negative 4y is equal to negative 2x minus 6. So divide ko by 4. So this y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3 over 2. So pag ginrap mo, magiging itsura dyan something 3 over 2, no? So 3 over 2 magi-start. At so somewhat dito magi-start. So 1 2 2. So ganyan. Yan, so somewhat ito yung graph niya. Okay, so ang sabi niya, i-graph daw natin siya from here up to 2. So here. So meaning, ang kinukuha natin na graph na area, ito lang. Kumbaga, ito lang part nito. Ayan yung kinuha natin yan. Kumbaga, yan yung distance na kinuha natin. So yan yung arc length na kinuha natin. Kasi from 0 to 2 lang yung pinapakuha. Okay, so therefore, ganyan yung gagawin natin. So hoping na naintindihan mo tong arc length. So madali siya kumpara dun sa mga nauna. So again, hoping na naintindihan mo yung video natin this week. So hoping na kaya mo sagutan yung mga problem sets. So again, thank you for watching. Hoping na nag-enjoy ka.